name is Alok. Excellent. Welcome to the Science Club. Float or sink. Today we are going to play a game. Before the game, I will ask David to put one of these objects in. I want to ask David what happened to the float or sink. Okay, David, this pen, what do you think this pen happened? It float or sink? Float. Yes, David is right, because wood is float. How about this apple? Float or sink? Do you think? What do you think? Float. Yes, David said it float, so let's try it. David with it right again. David, how about this spoon? What happened of this? David, sink. So I will try to put it in. David, it right because the spoon made out of the metal. It very heavy. How about this baseball? Float or sink? Float. Yes, the baseball is float. David with it right again. How about this paper clip? It's small. How about it? Sink. I will put it in. Yes, David is right again. How about this? How about this old coin? Float or sink? Sink. David is right again. How about this mirror? What happened to this? What do you think? It sink. Okay, David say it sink. Let's see. Yes, David is right too. The marble is very heavy because they made out of the glass. I brought a possible look like the marbles, but it can float. What do you know? Because they made out of different things that we know. The marble is made out of the glass, but the possible is made out of the rubber. How about this? It floats. It's float. David is wrong. So because they are heavy and it made by the metal. How about this? Both toy float. Yes, it float. What about this rubber ducky? Float. It float too. The reason is this both toy have a pocket of air, so it can float. But when we put the water in or cover the boat toy, it can sink. It really quite like a real boat, but the real boat is huge and it don't have enough air pocket, but they can float. Now let's do a test. What do you think that will float? Remember all the things you learned, and the rubber ducky is float. Have fun. Goodbye.